Back to BP interview tutorials, and hope you guys are doing well, and please vote today, guys. Today we have a voting at multiple location. Please don't miss out, it's a right to vote. So let's start today's concept, that is on how to use DATEDIF function. So this is the function we will be learning out today. Before that, I would request everyone to please subscribe, click on subscribe option, and also you can click on join option so that you can get to know about our premium videos. Also check out our playlist. You will find 163 plus videos which are related to many of the concepts like Google Sheet, workforce management, statistics, MS Excel tutorials, operation team leader, then people management, quality analyst, trainers. Many more videos are there. Also go to the shorts. You will find various short tricks on the Excels, so that will help you in cracking our interview very easily. Please don't miss to share and subscribe the channel. Let's start today's concept, that is on how to use DATEDIF function. So basically DATEDIF if function basically used to calculate month, year and days between the certain dates. For an example, if I want to calculate the tenurity of one of the employee from the joining date to the current date, how we can get it? So let's consider like the person Ajay joined to the organization in 4th August 2021, and here I am just adding the current working date. The function is equal to today and bracket close. This is the way you can add the today's date. So let me drag it to the last. Okay, this is done. Now let me add some random dates here. Okay, I just added 2011. Okay, I'm just adding some random dates here. Suppose it's 2021, then 2022, or maybe 2002. Feb. Date is 1. Let's consider, and you can add the rest dates also. Now how we can calculate this year, month and days with the help of DATEDIF function. Let's start the function equal to dated if bracket open. Now the formula itself is select the start date. Okay, start date, then comma, select the end date, comma. Now it is asking unit, which means if you want years, then you will just add y in a double quotes and close it. Okay, we got this years here, you can see here. So I just added it for only 2 entries. You can get the years easily. Let me make it to 2002. Yes, the person is 22 years tenured in this organization, XYZ organization. Let me calculate the month now. Equal to DATEDIF. Now again I will select the start date, comma, end date, comma. I will just in double quotes I will add M. I'll get how many months tenured the person is. So here you can see here he is 267 month tenured. Same for the days. Let me try. I did not try it if it is working or not. Let me check, comma, then let me add the end date, comma, let me add D. Okay, the formula it seems wrong. Yes, added 1013 days completed. Here he completed 8000 days in the organization. So in this way you can get all the information very easily. So this is the use of DATEDIF function. So you can use it in many ways, like to find the tenurity of the employee, or else you want to find for an example like when the process was started and when it getting completed. You want to add the exceptions, like how many days exceptions you want to add, then you can easily get it with the help of DATEDIF function. So if you still want to know more information about it, please share your feedbacks in the comment section. I will definitely help you out with. And don't miss to click on subscribe option, guys, so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.